Hey guys, it's Bailey, and today I want to show you guys how to make a delicious smoothie that is easy to make and is very healthy for you. There are so many different smoothie recipes out there. You can try different combinations until you find your favorite. All you need is yogurt, milk, or juice, and some fruit. You can always sneak in some vegetables too, like spinach or kale. Today I'm going to be making a green banana smoothie. Now that may sound strange, but it is delicious. All you need is 3/4 cup spinach, 1 banana, a carton of yogurt, 8 ounces of low-fat milk, and ice. Once you have all your ingredients collected, you will need a blender. Since I am making a single serving, I am using a small blender. You may always use a larger blender to make a bigger batch for the whole family. To start, I'm going to put in the spinach, milk, and yogurt, your banana, and a couple ice cubes. Ice cubes make your smoothie thicker. You could also freeze your fruit to make your smoothie thicker instead of adding ice. Blend your smoothie. Pour into a glass and enjoy. If your smoothie is not thick enough for you, you can add some more ice. I hope you find your favorite recipe. Have a good day.